Welcome to the Digital Desk on this Wednesday. My name is Jackie Garrity. September is National Suicide Awareness Month, and this week I was able to talk with Tatum Odell at the Taney County Health Department. Suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in Taney County, and the health department is reaching out to local schools and universities and offering a training to help reach people struggling before it's too late. Here's our conversation.
So talk to me about your efforts during Suicide Prevention Month. You guys are really trying to hone in on this issue in your community. Talk about what you guys are trying to accomplish this month.
Yes, well, suicide prevention in Taney County is absolutely a group effort between us and our local partnerships, including the Taney County Suicide Prevention Network, as well as several other local organizations working to accomplish the same goal of preventing suicide here.
And you just shared a statistic with me. Can you talk about it again?
Suicide was the 10th leading cause of death in Taney County from the years of 2011 to 2021.
And we know that nationally, it's an issue that spans all age groups. Do you have any data on any particular groups of society that it seems to affect more?
Yes. So from 2017 to 2022, the group most affected were people ages 35 to 39 in Taney County specifically.
And did you have any stats on men or women?
Not specifically. It's known nationally that men typically struggle with this issue more than women.
Greene County, I know, has some pretty staggering statistics for the suicide rate for men compared to the rest of the state.
Yes.
So if somebody is struggling out there and they're watching this at home, what sort of resources do you have available tangibly that they can reach out for?
Well, here at the Taney County Health Department, we have free gun locks. That's just an easy way to keep yourself safe, as well as any children or other people in your home if you do own a gun. We also have medication destruction packets. So if you have any leftover medication, you can put it in this destruction packet and safely dispose of it. We also have medication lock boxes where you can safely store your medication away from people who don't need to be using it, like children or other adults in your home. And then, of course, we are always promoting 988, our crisis and suicide lifeline. That is a national number that anyone can call to be connected with resources. So if you live in Southwest Missouri and you call 988, you will be connected with someone at a local resource center to speak with you, talk to you about what you're struggling with, and eventually refer you to a local resource, which is really impactful to be able to have that resource right here in our area.
Yeah, to have somebody who knows your community to be able to talk to you about the resources that are available. Do you guys partner at all with Rural Health?
We don't have any specific partnerships, but we obviously know that they're a huge resource here.
Yeah, I think at one point I did a story with Burl out of Branson area about some of their addiction recovery counseling and things like that. So I know that they have some offices down here.
They have a lot of stuff.
When it comes to teens and kids in school, do you have any resources directly for the younger folks in the community?
Yes. So here at the Taney County Health Department, we have a suicide prevention training called QPR. QPR stands for Question, Persuade, Refer. We've brought this training to several local school districts and have several trainings planned for this upcoming semester at local universities, as well as local middle school and high school students. So we're super excited to be able to bring that training to those kids and hopefully to keep expanding that program. We've trained over 1,200 people in the last 3 years in that program, and we're really proud of it.
And can you kind of talk a little more about kind of the approach and kind of the mindset behind it?
Yes. So with QPR, Question, Persuade, Refer, our suicide prevention training that we offer, it's training people to reach out and ask the question of, are you thinking about hurting yourself? Are you okay? How can I help you? So giving people the tools and equipping people with the confidence to encourage someone to stay alive and help know how to refer someone to those important resources.
And sometimes, yeah, it's just a matter of asking the question and doing it in a way that doesn't make the other person feel, like they need to retreat. They feel safe and open. If somebody is watching this at home and they're struggling, what would you want them to hear?
I would want anyone watching this to hear that it is okay to reach out and ask for help. That is the first step to getting better. And if anyone out there sees someone who might be struggling or notices some changes in someone, it is okay to reach out and tell them that you care about them and tell them that you love them and you want to see them get better, and encourage them to find help and find these valuable resources that we have in our community.
And if somebody wants to reach out for help, what's the best way to do it to contact you guys?
To contact the Taney County Health Department, you can call us directly. Our number is 417-334-4544, a lot of fours. And the extension to learn about QPR training is 594. And then, of course, I cannot recommend the 988 number enough. So you can dial 988, and when they pick up, you will hear different options. So veterans can dial 1, and then if you need a different language, that is available as well. So suicide prevention is an ongoing effort between everyone here in Taney County. We have a lot of local resources and partnerships that we rely on, and we are just so grateful to live in a community that cares about one another. We have a unique county, that's for sure. You cannot find another county like Taney anywhere on the map. And I think that there are a lot of really amazing local nonprofits and partners who want to make the community here year-round feel seen, heard, and cared for.
I want to thank Tatum Odell for joining me on the digital desk. If you or someone you know is struggling, the 988 Crisis Lifeline is a great resource. And when you call it, you will be connected with local resources in your own community. I'll be back on Monday with an all-new Crime in Your Neighborhood. Thanks for watching.